This Harlingen Homes property video is presented by McCallum. This clean and ready to move in 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has a split floor plan. The kitchen has laminate countertops, lots of cabinets, and the refrigerator conveys. The spacious master bedroom and bath includes a walk-in closet. There are tile floors throughout the home. The indoor laundry room has cabinets for storage. The backyard has a covered patio and privacy fencing. Don't wait to view this home. For more information, review the details below.